Welcome back, Aisha. Yesterday, we talked about how you prepared for your Halloween party. Today, let's imagine the party has started. How does it feel?
Oh, teacher, it feels wonderful. My friends are here, the lights are on, the room looks spooky, and everyone is wearing costumes.
That sounds amazing. You said everyone is wearing costumes. Great grammar. You used the present continuous tense correctly. It's used when something is happening right now. For example, I am talking. You are listening. They are dancing.
Oh, yes. So when I say everyone is dancing, that means it's happening now?
Exactly. Perfect example. Now, tell me, what costumes did your friends wear?
Hmm. One of my friends is wearing a ghost costume. Another is a vampire. And one girl came as a cat. She has cute ears and a tail.
Oh, that's fun. And how about you, Aisha? What are you wearing?
I am wearing a witch costume, just like I said. I have a black hat and a broom. My little brother said I look scary, but I think I look funny.
That's a nice mix. A scary but funny witch. Let's learn something small here. You said, I am wearing a witch costume. That's present continuous. It shows what you're doing right now. But if you talk about a past party, you'd say, I was wearing a witch costume. So remember, now, am, is, are. Past, was, were.
Oh, okay. So if I talk about yesterday, I say, I was decorating my room.
Exactly, Aisha. You're learning quickly. Now tell me, how do your friends greet you when they arrive?
They say, Happy Halloween, and they laugh. Then they tell me, Your decorations are so cool.
That's lovely. The expression so cool means very nice or impressive. You can say, your costume is so cool. Your room looks so cool. It's a friendly, casual way to give a compliment.
Oh, so if I like something, I can say, That's so cool.
Exactly. And you can also say, that's awesome. It means the same thing.
That's awesome.
Very good pronunciation. Notice how you said awesome. The ah sounds like ah, not a. So it's aw-some, not a-some.
Awesome. Got it.
Great. Now let's talk about what happens during the party. What are you and your friends doing?
We are eating snacks, taking pictures, and dancing to music. We are also playing games.
That sounds fun. Can you tell me about one of the games?
Yes, we are playing a game called Find the Ghost. I hide small paper ghosts around the room, and my friends try to find them.
That's a great idea. So you can say, we are playing a game called Find the Ghost. Let's focus on pronunciation, the word called. We don't say Khaled. We say called. Try saying it slowly. A game called Find the Ghost.
A game called Find the Ghost.
Excellent. Smooth and natural. Now, what happens when someone finds a ghost?
They shout, I found it! And everyone laughs.
That's a nice phrase. I found it. It's past tense of find. Let's review quickly. Find means present. Found means past. So, I find the ghost means now. I found the ghost means already.
I found the ghost!
Perfect energy, Aisha. That's how we learn, with fun and laughter. Now, tell me about the food. What are you eating at the party?
We are eating cookies, popcorn, and orange juice. I also made small cakes.
Ooh, that sounds delicious. You can say, I made small cakes for my friends. Let's focus on grammar. You used made, which is the past tense of make. Many beginners say maked, but that's incorrect. It changes completely. Make becomes made.
Oh, I see. Make, made. Like take, took, right?
Exactly. That's an excellent connection. Some verbs change their middle part when they go to past tense. For example, go becomes went, eat becomes ate, make becomes made, take becomes took.
These are tricky, but fun to learn.
Yes, English verbs can be strange sometimes, but practice makes them easy. Now, during the party, are your friends speaking English or your own language?
Mostly our language, but sometimes we try to say small English sentences like let's dance, or good job, or nice costume.
That's fantastic, Aisha. Those are real daily expressions. Let's say them slowly for pronunciation practice. Let's dance. Good job. Nice costume.
Let's dance. Good job. Nice costume.
Excellent energy and clear pronunciation. Grammar tip, let's means let us. It's a way to invite others to do something with you. For example, let's eat. Let's study. Let's take a picture.
Oh, so let's dance means, come on, let's dance together.
Exactly. Very natural. You can also use how about when you give a soft suggestion. For example, how about dancing? How about some snacks? These are polite ways to invite friends in English.
I like that. How about dancing? It sounds friendly.
Yes, it's simple and nice. Now, let's talk about music. What kind of songs are playing at your party?
Funny Halloween songs, like Monster Mash. Everyone laughs and dances.
Oh, that's a classic Halloween song. By the way, let's practice pronunciation. Monster. It sounds like mon-stir, not moon-stir. The O is short like in hot. Say it with me. Monster.
Monster.
Perfect. And mash means mix or crush. So monster mash means the monster dance.
Oh, I didn't know that. That's fun.
Learning English through songs helps you remember words easily. When you listen to songs, try to repeat small parts. That improves your rhythm and fluency.
Yes, I do that sometimes. I sing with subtitles.
Excellent learning habit. Singing helps with pronunciation and confidence. You see, Aisha, speaking English is like dancing. You move with rhythm, slowly, step by step.
That's beautiful, teacher. I like that idea. English is like dancing.
Exactly. You don't have to rush. You just enjoy every step.